Memiliki program wawasan keislaman yang baik.
Nyaman untuk belajar.
Alhamdulillah Al Furqon sukses terus untuk mencetak generasi-generasi muda yang Qurani dan sukses pemimpin masa depan bangsa.
Hai, halo semua sahabat Al Furqon yang ada di rumah di YouTube streaming hari ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke sahabat Al Furqon semua, jumpa lagi hari ini bersama kami dari siswa-siswi SD IT Al Furqon di program performa terbaikku, yaitu life skill spelling bee. Spelling bee.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
We
We can spell it well.
Oke, hari ini di life skill English hari ini kita akan mengeja kosakata. Tapi sebelumnya anak bunda dan semua penonton yang ada di rumah, kita akan memperkenalkan diri ya.
Oke.
Oke, sebelumnya Bunda akan menjelaskan dulu nih, di SD IT Al Furqon ada kegiatan yang namanya Life Skill English, yang kegiatannya itu diadakan di sekolah kita, dan juga kegiatan ini free loh. Tanpa bayaran. Nah, insya Allah kegiatan ini dilakukan setiap hari Kamis, every Thursday on 2 p.m. Oke, selamat datang semuanya. Welcome here. Hi, say hi to all. Oke, now we have to introduce ourselves. Bunda Lismar dan teman-teman yang ada di studio adalah Guni. Let's sing together ya. Kita nyanyikan sama-sama untuk memperkenalkan kita semua. Oke, start from now. 1, 2, 3, go. Bee, bee, bumblebee.
Can you say your name for me?
Oh iya, Bunda Lismar dulu. Hello, my name is Bunda Lismar. Spellingnya Lismar. Lismar. Next, sing again. Bee, bee, bumblebee. Can you spell your name for me?
My name is Iris. Spell it I-R-I-S. Iris.
Oke, Iris. Next ya, sing again. Bee, bee, bumblebee.
Can you spell your name for
For me.
Hello, my name is Ara. Spell it
Ara.
A-R-A. Ara.
Oke, Ara. Thank you, Ara. Sing again. Bee, bee.
Bumblebee.
Can you say your name for me?
My name is Sarah. Spellingnya S-A-R-A-H. Sarah.
Oke, good, Sarah. Sing again. Bee, bee, bumblebee. Can you spell your name
for me? My name is Fatih. F-A-T-I-H. Fatih.
Fatih? Next, sing again.
Bee, bee, bumblebee. Can you say my name for me? My name is Isha. I-S-Y-A. Isha.
Isha, good, very good. Next, sing again.
Bee, bumblebee. Can you say your name for me? My name is Adam. A-D-A-M. Adam.
Oke, Adam. Thank you once again ya. Bee, bee, bumblebee. Can you say your name for me? Yang penonton di rumah boleh sebutkan namanya dan ejaannya ya. Oke, terima kasih anak bunda. Good job hari ini. Nah, hari ini today we are going to spell some words. I have a picture for you. Ya, bunda ada gambar nih. I have pictures. You have to choose of the picture. Choose one. Do not open it. Do not open it. Choose one, and then you. No, do not open it. Do not open it. Choose one. Okay, choose one. Choose only one. Oke, sudah mengambil satu gambar. Do not open it. Do not open it. Oh my God. Do not open it. Do not open it. Okay, you have to go in front of the camera and you have to say what is the words. Yeah, what is the word? Let me take it. Okay, it's a lion. Can you spell lion? Okay, good job. Is right. Yeah. Next, Ara. It's kind of animal, yeah. Horse. Is it right?
No.
Oh, repeat again. Horse. Forgot mic. Oh my God, mic-nya. Ah ya, lupa bener pakai mic-nya ya, lupa.
HORSE.
Horse, is it right? Yes, that's right. The next, Sarah. Okay. It's easy. Dog.
DOG. Dog.
Yeah, is it right? Yes, that's right. Okay, next. Pati. Oh, it's a very, very tame animal. Yeah, crocodile.
CROCORILE.
Is it right? Tetot. Would you like to repeat again?
CROCODILE. Crocodile.
Iya, benar tidak masih? L-nya ada double. It's okay. Would you like to spell it again?
CROCODILLE.
Okay, crocodile. Thank you. Give it to your friend.
I didn't notice it.
Okay. Next question. Can you spell goat?
GOAT.
Goat. Is it right? Yes. Penonton di studio gimana? Benar ya, goat. Ya. Next. Adam. Oke, sini dikit. The next words is monkey.
MONKEY.
Monkey, is it right? Yes, that's right. Okay, thank you so much. Nah, sekarang itu tadi kosakata ya. Animals, it's about animals. Now we are going to spell the words sea animals. What is sea animals?
Hewan laut. Crocodile.
Hewan laut, banyak sekali ya hewan laut ya.
Yes.
Kira-kira apa saja sih kosakata hewan laut yang akan Bunda sebutkan ya? Oke. Ya, kalau salah nggak apa-apa nak ya. Namanya kita juga belajar ya. Oke, Bunda akan pilih. Yang pertama adalah, oke, can you make a line please? Can you make a line please? Iris in the front, and then Pati, and then Zara, Ara here. Ara here, that's okay. Ara, and then Fatih, Isha, and then Sarah. Okay, now I would like to ask you to spell shark.
SHARK. Shark.
Okay, is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Yang penonton di rumah gimana, benar? Oke, benar ya. Kita sama-sama yuk spell shark.
SHARK.
Shark. Oke, next. Oke. Apa ya? Cuttlefish.
CUTTLEFISH.
Oke, is it right?
Yes.
Oke, benar tidak penonton di rumah? Benar sekali. Kita sama-sama yuk spell ya. Let's spell it together. CUTTLEFISH. Cuttlefish. Okay, next. Back off. Next, I will choose sea animals. Ada yang give. Thank you for gifts. Thank you so much. Yeah. Next, let's continue. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I will say it. Walrus. Walrus. Yes. W. Repeat again. A. L. And then. Okay, is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Walrus. Let's spell it together.
WALRUS.
Walrus. Okay, next.
Isha.
Yeah, walrus. Next, what else? Yeah, I will find next. It's so easy. It has so many legs. Octopus.
OCTOPUS. Octopus.
Is it right?
Yes.
That's right. Octopus. Let's spell it together.
OCTOPUS.
Okay, octopus. Next. This is the last, no? Adam is the last. Okay. Next, I will choose. This is the sea animals. This animal is small. Yeah, small. It's very small. Not really small. Yeah. Sea horse.
SEAHORSE.
Seahorse. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay, let's spell it together.
SEAHORSE.
Yeah, seahorse. Thank you. Back up, please. And the last. It's so easy. Ya, nggak usah. Penguin.
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 PINGUIN. Penguin.
Is it right? No. Can you repeat again, penguin?
PENGN.
No, you forgot you. You forgot you after G. Okay. Can you repeat again? PENGUIN. Penguin. Okay. Now you have a line like this. Buat lagi kayak tadi, yuk. Udah ya, cukup ya. Kita akan cari kosakata yang lain. Buat kayak tadi yuk, lainnya. Silakan. Oke, silakan yuk kita baris seperti tadi. Iris seperti tadi baris yuk. Baris seperti di awal tadi. Oke, kasih Iris ya. Oke, we are going to sing a song, alphabet song ya. Karena tadi kenapa ya? Karena ada tadi yang kelupaan hurufnya, ada yang lupa hurufnya yang disebutkan itu ya. Maka dari itu kita akan menyanyikan lagu alphabet song. Oke, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Spelling time.
Yes, yes, yes. I can spell it well.
Oke. Oke, stop ya. Start from now. 1, 2, 3.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Let's sing it again. Yang belum ya. Siap sekali lagi. 1, 2, 3.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Oke, thank you so much. Nah, sekarang Bunda akan menanyakan anak-anak yang ikut life skill hari ini. Bunda akan menyebutkan satu kosakata ya. Kalian nanti menyebutkan hurufnya. Misal nih, ya. Contoh, for example, I will say will. Ya, if I say will, you have to spell it. Jadi dari Iris dulu ya, dari Iris dulu. Kalau will berarti Iris ya, W H A L I gitu ya. Nanti gantian, satu siswa, satu anak itu satu huruf ya. Kalau tadi kan kalian semuanya satu kata, semua hurufnya. Nah, sekarang semua satu orang siswa itu satu huruf. Oke? Jadi kalian harus bekerja sama. Oke? Jangan salah ya. Don't make a mistake. Oke? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Spelling time.
Yes, yes, yes. I can spell it well.
Oke, good job. Sekarang boleh baris seperti tadi. Silakan. Posisi baris seperti yang tadi. Ya, seperti yang tadi. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Ya, Bunda akan sebutkan satu kata. Kalian silakan menyebutkan hurufnya. Spelling the letters. You have to spell the letter. It's so easy ya. It's a color. Purple.
P U R P
Maju.
L
L.
L
Yeah, and then
E.
E. Is it right? Purple yang di rumah. Oke, benar.
Yes,
Purple.
benar.
Nanti Yang sudah menjawab nanti boleh mundur ya. Oke, kita akan satu kosakata lagi. Bunda akan pilihkan apa ya? Wait a minute, I will find the difficult. Bunda cari sudah ya. Bunda akan cari kosakata yang sulit ya. It's so hard ya, but that's okay. You can answer it well. Ini aja lah. Wait a minute, teman-teman yang di rumah tunggu ya. Ini I'm looking for the words. Ini kayaknya mana tadi? Oke, ini aja lah. Oke. It's animals, sea animals. Leopard, seal. L and then leopard, seal. Yes. O maju dulu. P and then R and then D. Maju.
D
And then S. Maju.
S
Pati maju. I.
E
And then
A
and then next maju.
L.
Ya, leopard seal. Benar ya penonton di rumah? Oke, kita sama-sama yuk. Kita spelling. Let's spell leopard seal. L E O P A R D
S E A L.
Oke, leopard seal. Next, I will choose. This is a kitchen tools or kitchen equipment. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ya, jangan lupa ya maju, nanti mundur ya. Oke, strainer.
S T
S
N
S gantian.
T
R.
R A I N E R.
Okay, strainer. Let's spell it again. Strainer. S
T R A
I
N E R.
Strainer. Oke. Sekarang Bunda mau ambil satu nama hewan lagi ya. Anggota tubuh aja ya, parts of body. It is part of body. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oke, sekarang Bunda mau tanya. Kalau anak Bunda tidak menyambung huruf kayak tadi, langsung saja per kata, bisa? Bisa ya? Berarti
Bisa.
nanti Sarah langsung saja. Silakan spell. You can spell it. All of the letters ya, all of the letters, semua hurufnya di spelling ya. Oke, are you ready Sarah?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ya, hanya untuk Sarah ini ya. Oke, soldier.
S U
U.
L D E R.
Soldier, itu soldier enggak ya? Oke, would you like to repeat again soldier? Soldier. Is it right? Tato, no. Oke, kita spell sama-sama ya. Let's spell it together. S
H O U L D E R.
shoulder.
Shoulder.
Okay, you may back off please. Okay, Pati, next. I will choose. It's so easy. Chest.
CHEST. Chest.
Is it right? Yeah, benar sekali. Chest. Let's spell it together.
CHEST.
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 Okay, next. Oke. Jangan dilihat. Cheek. Cheek. I, benar tidak kalau I?
No.
Oh. C, sama-sama yuk kita spelling yuk. Ini arah hurufnya coba. You can spell it. C
H double E K.
Oke, boleh pakai double E, boleh juga E boleh ya. Oke, let's spell it together. C
H double E K.
Oke, cheek. Oke, that's okay, tidak apa-apa ya. Oke, next. Elbow.
ELBOW. Elbow.
Oke, elbow. Good job. Let's spell it. Elbow. 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 Good job. Next. Kidney. Kidney.
KIDNEY.
Kidney. Okay, is it right?
Yes.
Let's spell it together. K
KIDNEY.
Okay, kidney. Next, ini agak susah ya. It's so difficult. Yeah, I will show it to your friend Rania, Iris. Okay, are you ready, Iris?
Yes.
Yes, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Skeleton.
SKELETON. Skeleton.
Okay, is it right? Yes. Let's spell it together. Skeleton. S-K-E-L. Ulang, udah salah ya. Ulangi, repeat again.
SKELETON.
Ya, skeleton. Ya, Bunda juga manusia ya, jadi bisa salah ya. Oke, Sarah, this is your turn. Is it right? Oke. What else? School. It's the same with bone. School.
S K U L.
Okay, is it right?
Yes.
Okay, let's spell school.
Double L.
Oke, boleh double L, boleh L ya. Who's the next? You are the last. Okay, the last. I will. Nah, ini aja ya. It's a long birthmark.
BIRTHMARK. Birthmark.
Okay, is it right?
Yeah.
Spell it together.
BIRTHMARK. Birthmark.
Okay, thank you. Silakan kembali lagi ke barisan yang tadi. Oke. Oke, bagaimana hari ini? Do you feel happy today?
Yes.
Nah, bagaimana spelling? It's easy or difficult?
It's easy.
Ya.
It's easy.
It's easy ya. Nah,
Yes.
kalau easy berarti
Yes.
nanti nextnya for the next we have to find another words ya. Kosakata lain lagi yang nanti akan Bunda berikan ke kalian. Tadi hanya beberapa loh yang kita pelajari ya. Oke. Jadi hari ini because time is over, waktunya sudah habis ya. Insya Allah kita akan ketemu lagi di acara live streaming, live skill bahasa Inggris selanjutnya. Spelling time.
Yes. 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 We can spell it well.
Oke, terima kasih anak-anak Bunda yang ada di studio. Say goodbye, say hamdalah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.
Memiliki program wawasan keislaman yang baik.
Nyaman untuk belajar.
Alhamdulillah Al-Furqan sukses terus untuk mencetak generasi-generasi muda yang Qurani dan sukses pemimpin masa depan bangsa.
Memiliki program wawasan keislaman yang baik.
Nyaman untuk belajar.
Alhamdulillah Al-Furqan sukses terus untuk mencetak generasi-generasi muda yang Qurani dan sukses pemimpin masa depan bangsa.